No, some of that.
A 9.4.
9.4. I did not see this coming, people. We have an upset.
Yo, Lando. Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking. Jamaica running.
Shalom, shalom. What it is, people? It's your boy Landon. I am the man that we back with another one. Guess what? We got a guest. Got wifey over there. Now, this review gonna be a little different, but not different, because you know we like food. So, as you all know, I am Jamaican, right? And one of the biggest part of Jamaican culture is one of the things, food. We love food. But one of the things that bring us all together is patty, right? Jamaican patty. Most people like Jamaican beef patty, but yeah, I don't eat beef, so I had to bring a guest, a foodie just like me. You know, we're gonna do a review. We're in the city of Lauderhill. Now, Lauderhill, I don't even have the answer to it, but Lauderhill probably is the most Jamaican community. They have the most populated Jamaican in the United States, if you ask me. I've heard a lot about Brooklyn, but I think Lauderhill, they call it Jamaican Hill. So we're in Lauderhill. Now, we came to Lauderhill to find the best party spot in Florida. Because it got to be in Lauderhill. It's a party spot on every corner. Every corner. But we're just going to go to like 3 or 4 today. How much you want to go to? 2. Nah, two. We gotta make it odd number. So we're gonna do 3. So we got a few. We know we got the top dogs. We got some big brands. But we're gonna go to the top 3 from what I've heard viewers say were patty bad. We know we used to the traditional juicy beef and tasty patty. That no, they America. Juicy beef is here. Matter of fact, I'm gonna go to juicy beef too. We're gonna test them. We're gonna see if how they compete with the American Patty store. Right? You ready?
I'm ready.
Y'all feel live up, man. Live up. You ready?
We eating cocoa bread too.
The reviews about patty, not cocoa bread. But if you want to mix it because it goes together, you know they go together. They married. We can do that.
I can't eat cocoa bread from everywhere.
A patty we had to deal with right now.
Okay.
She gonna eat the beef. I mean, now, when it comes to the category, judging of flakiness, flavor, what else? How loaded the patty is. Am I missing anything? Flavor, flakiness, and how loaded the patty is. I think that make a good patty. What do you think? All right, let's find out. We're gonna go to one right now. We're just gonna stay in Lauderhill. We're gonna stay in Lauderhill. If you know somewhere better in South Florida, because we're in South Florida, we're going to West Palm, we're going to Miami, we're going to Fort Lauderdale, but we're in Lauderhill right now because it's Jamaican Hill. All right.
Prime time Lando in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle trucking. Jamaica running. Prime time Lando. Yeah, we dep on the road. Truck them rolling, blessings overload. From Georgia to Florida, God in my soul. Shalom, shalom, man, I'm moving control. Lifestyle clean and the vlogs them bold. Culture rich like pure Jamaican gold. Prime time Lando, yeah, the journey on.
So we just went to Taste Rite. I got the fish, my wife got the beef because I know y'all want to know about the beef. I'm gonna taste mine first, then she's gonna taste hers, right? Just off top. It's flaky. Flakiness is there. That's a point right there. See, that's right there. Guy, I wrote already. You know, as far as that. Let's see. Let's see if you load it. Oh, loaded. Watch that. Fish that, you know. All we need is flavor right now. Oh, if you don't make a mess in your car, you ain't eating right. Okay. You can't talk right now. The flavor is there. I'm not gonna lie. Flavor is there. Out of a scale of 1 to 10, I want to say a 9. I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna say a 9. All right. You ready? You ready? All right. Let me see how the beef tastes. The beef tastes. What's that? Flakiness did it. Flakiness is there. Okay. That's a point. Now you gotta break it in half. No, you gotta break it in half because we trying to see if
it's hot.
Okay, that's a point too.
Freshness. Yeah.
We need to know if it's loaded. Okay. Well, it look loaded right there already. Dang. But yeah. I want to see half of it though.
Listen.
Oh yeah, that thing loaded. Okay.
Let's see.
Oh, made a mess. That's a point. It's good. On a scale of 1 to 10, what's the flavor?
Give it about an 8 or a 9.
No, we need a direct answer. An 8 or a 9 is not an answer. So what? Okay. Second taste.
A 9.
9. All right. You heard it here. On to the next one. We're going to Juici beef. We coming. Let's see where you at. If y'all better have something for me to eat. If y'all don't have nothing for me to eat, I'm gonna give y'all a 0. We don't know about your beef, but I eat fish or plant-based. All right, we're gonna see.
Juici go and get some patty, you know, and that because I am a vegetarian, it's only the spinach I get in, so
Spinach?
I go, yeah.
Alright, that's what I'm getting.
Turn it on your wife.
I'm getting a regular beef.
Yeah, beef with Juici. I have spinach patty, so more than likely that's what I'm getting. I don't think they have fish. Let's see. Beef, curry chicken, spinach. They have avocado. A little bit of vlogging. Let me get. You're not fish. Okay, so let me get the spinach. Are you able to add the cheese to the spinach? Okay. Let me get one of those. One spinach. One. What do you want?
Beef. One beef. I'm sorry. Is it spicy? Really spicy?
You want cheese too?
Okay, let me get the spice. Without.
Oh, do you make it on the spot? They make already? No, like I just ordered the spinach with the cheese. It's already one made or. How long that'll take? Okay. All right, I like that. It's good. Freshness, people. You see that? Oh, that's good. All right, people. We back again. Juici Patties. Did I say Juici beef earlier? Juici Patties. Oh, one thing I can't say about Juici Patties now. As far as they have options, there's a lot of options in there for sure. Like I ordered spinach because I didn't have no fish. They ain't had that option. Tighten up, Juici. I ordered spinach, but I'm plant-based sometimes. So spinach, and I added cheese to it. They made it right then and there. I like that about them. They had a lot of options as far as for the meat eaters. Chicken, the whole nine. You can add your cheese. You can add avocado. I seen one that said egg and bacon patty. That's different. Shout out to Juici. But let's see what we're really here for. I don't even know which one is which. Okay, this is mine. This says spinach. I got the spinach and I added cheese. So, spinach is here. It's a little flaky. I don't know. It's flaky, but it ain't as flaky as the last one. Let's see. Let's break it in half. Oh yeah, it's loaded. It's loaded. Ooh! Look at that cheese. Look at that. Okay. They loaded up.
It's not hot.
It's a little hot. Let's see how it tastes. This is not bad. It's not bad. It's not. Juicy spinach and cheese is not bad. They might be winning with it. I'm gonna have to do a plant-based one. All right. Juicy. Flavor is there. Flaky. That's flaky. Is that my hair? Oh, that might be my hair. Oh, beard. God bless them everywhere. Flavor is there. Juicy is, flavor is there. It's loaded. It's there. Flavor is definitely there, and it's flaky. I said the same thing over and over. What do I rank them? I'm not gonna lie to y'all. It's gonna be a tough one. This right here,
You can't stop eating.
this is good. Cause Juicy big up yourself on the spinach patty and cheese. I added the cheese. I'm gonna give him a. It's a runner-up. I'm giving him a 9. It might. I said 9.1. A 9 on the spinach. I'm gonna take a point away because y'all ain't had no fish for me. Is that a fair? That's not fair, huh? Overall, all right, we're gonna let my wife go. I don't even know what to give him. I'm gonna give him a 9. I'm gonna leave it at a 9.
It's flaky. It's just not messy flaky.
But which one do you prefer?
I like the fact that it's flaky, and I like the fact that it's not messy, because it has the best of both worlds of not being messy.
Okay.
Like messy.
Okay. Yeah.
It's loaded inside.
Nah, push that up. You gotta push that up. Nah, I feel like your other one had more meat in this. Okay.
It has a good amount of meat.
You do have a good amount of meat. All right. Go ahead.
Flavor is good. I like the way the crust tastes. The crust seems like it has a little more flavor, but the overall taste of the patty in the filling, the beef, I would say maybe like a 8.7.
8.7. Juicy, I'm going. Big up yourself, Juicy. All right, folks, we on to the next one. We got so much patty places in Fort Lauderdale. You want to go to Hammond's? What do you think? Cause I'm trying. Flaky is what make the patty to me one of the things. So we're gonna go to Hammond's because Hammond's is known for being flaky too. But so we're staying in Lauderhill though. Come on. You do it heavy.
Yo, Lando, prime time Lando, in the building. Shalom, shalom, lifestyle tracking.
All right. Hammond's right there. I know the sun bright. I don't even know if y'all can see. But look across the street. Charlie's Pastries, which is also a patty spot, which is probably the original from a young youth. At one point, they was the only one in Lauderhill. But we're gonna review Hammond's right now. We have some Hammond's food, and we're gonna review it right now. All right. So we pulled up the Hammond's. We put up the top 3 in the city right now that everybody was voting for, right? Hammond's. You in last place, Hammond's.
It's the original.
Oh, Hammond's is the last place. Let me tell you about Hammond's, guys. Hammond's used to be my spot from back in the days. This is my city. Lauderhill is my city. I grew up around here. First come America. Yes, I'm gonna live. Lauderhill. Hammond's failed me. They didn't have no options for me. So what if you don't eat meat? They had the option, but they didn't have no patty. So 0 on my part. So Hammond's, we don't see their last place. No, we're gonna review the beef patty. Cause back in the day, Hammond's was the spot. You know what I mean? Hammond's was the spot. We're in Lauderhill. Right across from Hammond's is Charlie's Patties. Right there is Golden Crust. Patty they bought everywhere. This is my city. All right, let me get to you. How you like the patty? See, Flake, what did you get? Beef, right?
Yeah, it's all the way at the bottom.
It's all right at the bottom. Lift it up. Yeah, that loaded. Bucks. No, Hammond's. Pull it up.
It's heavy.
Yo, Hammond's might have the most meat. Why for that? Why for that? Hammond's, the patty is loaded.
Heavy.
Made a mess. Flaky. Okay, we got that.
I say a 10.
A 10? Buckside.
Or at least a 9 point.
No, some of that.
A 9.4.
9.4. I did not see this coming, people. We have an upset. I was putting the Hammonds at the back. I'm not, cause they don't have nothing for me. But I bought a cucumber and ginger drink. You say a 10. Hammonds.
Yeah. The flavor is better. And the patty and the crust.
Yo, I did not see this come. But back in the days when I did eat meat, Hammond's was my spot.
And they juice.
What you get?
The fruit juice.
She got fruit juice. They had carrot juice in there.
Most places have the regular fruit juice. You tell they blend up the ginger in here.
Yeah. Hammond's. Big up yourself, Hammond's. And I was just selling out. This is an upset, people. This is an upset. We can't believe the Hammond's win. Overall, people, every spot we visit today, I must say, the patty was good. I've had Hammond's Aki patty, but it's been a while because I don't live on this side of town no more. So, but back when I did eat it, I went to get Aki and sauce, but they didn't have none. And spinach was okay. When I did eat it, was good. I had Hammond's before I was biased. Hammond's as last place regardless. Juici Patty, bad for me. Taste Rite, bad for me. Bad in a good way. If you're Jamaican, you know me. I say bad. It's a good thing when you say it in Jamaican. It's bad. Bad is good. Bad, but you have to say it with patois. Bad, patty, bad. So one thing I like about these type of patty spot, right? Hammond's, Taste Rite, they're not commercialized yet, right? So you go in there, you're gonna find your bakery type stuff. You know, you might find some gizzada, you know, some pudding,
some black cake,
you know, all of that. So these small ones like this, they're good for that. All those stuff that you grew up on in Jamaica, that's where you go. So Hammond's, big up yourself. Hammond's in Lauderhill. We're in Lauderhill. We ain't come outside of lauderhill. I don't even know if there's more Hammond's in Lauderhill, but I know about this one. This is the one I always come to. Hammond's, big up yourself. Then you got Juici Patty. That's good, loud. It's good, huh? Juici Patty is more big brand. We know a Juici from Jamaica. Big brand. Big brand. You know, it's more, it's just strictly patty. That's what it looked like. You didn't see no like pudding or nothing like there, gizzada or nothing like that. But I saw all of that in Hammond's, and I saw that in Taste Rite. So they all have their pros and cons. Juici's the clean one. When I say clean, I'm not talking about these dirty, but it's more so made for the commercial look. Looks nice. There's plenty more patty spots in Fort Lauderdale. You know, we got Charlie's Pastry, we got Golden Crust, we got, give me some more.
In Broward County, or
just around here.
So you got Finger Licking and Pembroke Pine.
Finger Licking is not a patty spot. What are you talking about?
It was. What is it called?
You know what I thought about, but that's not a patty spot. But either way, guys, this was a shocker. Hammond's, big up yourself, man. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. But either way, y'all, if y'all ever in Lauderhill, man, if y'all looking for Caribbean food, Lauderhill is the city where you find the biggest Caribbean food, the best Caribbean food. Jamaican upon every con. They call it Jamaican Hill. Everything you want right here. But even though it's a patty one, I'm gonna do a video on Lauderhill. It's my city, man. How they do that? My city. I'm gonna do a video on Lauderhill and let y'all know what it is. But big up yourself, Hammond's. You shocked me. I'm shocked. I already knew the winner. I thought I did. Shout out to them, but appreciate y'all for watching. Make sure you love, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and share the whole nine. Miss Wifey, do you have anything to say?
Yeah, even though he wanted to shut me up, but listen, it says Finger Licking Patties, Pembroke Pines, South Hiatus, and he's been there before. So
if I don't remember the name, that means it's not all that. Oh, I know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
There's a lot of patty spot down here. We're gonna check them out. We're on the patty tour. If you want to come visit your patty shop, hit me in the DM or hit me in the comments. I got you. It's your boy Lando, and I am for me and